You know, out in the wild, encountering animals in their natural habitat is always an adventure. But there are times when we need to create safe havens, not just for us to observe and learn, but for the animals themselves. That's where aviaries come in. These incredible structures are like stepping into a different world, a symphony of sounds and a kaleidoscope of colors, all thanks to our feathered friends. For centuries, humans have been captivated by birds. We built aviaries to marvel at their beauty, to study their behavior, and to protect vulnerable species. What started as simple enclosures have evolved into expansive, immersive environments, mimicking natural habitats from across the globe. Get ready, because in this adventure, we're taking flight on a journey to some of the most spectacular aviaries on the planet. We'll witness firsthand the dedication to conservation, the breathtaking biodiversity, and the sheer wonder that these feathered wonders bring to our world. So buckle up, adventure awaits. All right, guys, we've landed in Southeast Asia, home to some of the most biodiverse rainforests on the planet, and the incredible Singapore Zoo Aviary. Now, this isn't just any aviary. It's a massive 2-hectare dome, a free flight zone designed to mimic the natural rainforest habitat of Southeast Asia. As we step inside, prepare to be blown away, because it's like walking straight into the heart of the jungle. The humidity hits you first, a warm, tropical embrace. The air buzzes with the sound of exotic birdsong, chirps, whistles, and squawks all blending together in a beautiful symphony of nature. Look, up in the canopy, a flash of brilliant scarlet. That's a scarlet macaw, native to South America but thriving here in this protected environment. And over there, perched gracefully on a branch, is a rhinoceros hornbill, its massive beak a testament to the power of nature. The Singapore Zoo Aviary is home to over 1,500 birds representing over 130 species. Many, like the Bali myna, are critically endangered in the wild. But here, they're given a fighting chance. The aviary runs extensive breeding programs, ensuring the survival of these magnificent creatures for generations to come. We're walking along a winding path, sunlight filtering through the dense foliage above. Look at that waterfall cascading into a crystal-clear pool below. It's a haven not just for birds, but for turtles and fish, too, creating a truly immersive ecosystem. The Singapore Zoo Aviary is a shining example of how we can create spaces that both protect and educate. It's a place where conservation isn't just a word, it's a way of life. We round a bend in the path, and suddenly, a group of children comes running towards us, their eyes wide with wonder. They're here on a school trip, learning about the importance of protecting these incredible creatures. And that's what it's all about, folks. Inspiring the next generation to become stewards of the natural world. But the wonders of the Singapore Zoo Aviary don't stop there. Keep those eyes peeled, because you never know what amazing creature you might spot next. Our next stop takes us to Malaysia, a country bursting with natural beauty and home to the Kuala Lumpur Bird Park. This place is special, folks, and you'll see why in just a second. It's known as the world's largest free-flight walk-in aviary. And when they say free flight, they mean it. We're talking over 3,000 birds from over 200 species, many of them flying right alongside you. It's an immersive experience unlike any other, like stepping into the pages of a National Geographic magazine. As we enter the park, a riot of color explodes before our eyes. Vibrant parrots flit through the air, their calls echoing through the trees. Look at that! A flock of rainbow lorikeets just landed on that feeding platform, their feathers shimmering in the sunlight. And over there, a group of peacocks struts their stuff, displaying their magnificent plumage. The Kuala Lumpur Bird Park is divided into different zones, each one recreating a specific habitat. We've got the rainforest zone, the wetlands zone, and even a dedicated hornbill park. And the best part? You can get up close and personal with many of these feathered wonders. We're approaching the feeding platform for the lories, those small, colorful parrots with brush-tipped tongues. Watch this. I'm holding out a cup of nectar, and they're not shy about coming in for a sip. It's a truly magical experience being surrounded by these beautiful creatures. But the Kuala Lumpur Bird Park isn't just about entertainment. It's also a leading center for conservation and education. They run breeding programs for endangered species and work tirelessly to raise awareness about the importance of bird conservation. As we wander through this avian paradise, it's impossible not to be in awe of the beauty and diversity of the bird world. And it's a stark reminder that we have a responsibility to protect these creatures and their habitats. The Kuala Lumpur Bird Park is a testament to the power of conservation and a shining example of how humans and animals can coexist in harmony. Chapter 3. We're heading stateside now, to sunny San Diego, California, home to one of the most famous zoos in the world, and an aviary that's a marvel of both architecture and conservation. Guys, the Scripps Aviary at the San Diego Zoo is in a league of its own. This massive, dome-shaped structure is an icon visible from all over the zoo, but it's what's inside that truly takes your breath away. Imagine this. You step through the entrance and suddenly you're enveloped in a warm, humid environment. Lush vegetation surrounds you, the air thick with the scent of tropical flowers. Above, the sky disappears, replaced by a massive web of cables and netting, creating a vast, open space for the birds to soar freely. This is the closest you'll get to experiencing a South American rainforest without hopping on a plane. The San Diego Zoo spared no expense in recreating this delicate ecosystem, and the result is simply awe-inspiring. We're talking over 3,500 birds representing over 135 species, all living together in this incredible habitat. Look, there goes a hyacinth macaw, its brilliant blue feathers flashing as it glides effortlessly through the air. And over there, perched high on a branch, is a toko toucan, its massive beak a marvel of natural engineering. But the San Diego Zoo Aviary isn't just about showmanship. It's also a leader in conservation. They've got breeding programs for some of the world's most endangered bird species, including the California condor, a bird that was once on the brink of extinction. Seeing a California condor soaring overhead here in the aviary is a powerful reminder of the impact we can have when we dedicate ourselves to conservation. These magnificent birds with their 10-foot wingspans are a symbol of hope for the future. The San Diego Zoo Aviary is a testament to human ingenuity, our ability to create spaces that not only mimic nature, but also help to heal it. It's a place where science and wonder collide, inspiring visitors to appreciate and protect the natural world. As we leave the aviary, stepping back out into the California sunshine, we carry with us a renewed sense of purpose, a reminder that we all have a role to play in protecting our planet's incredible biodiversity. Chapter 4. You know, we've explored some of the most incredible aviaries on the planet, these man-made havens dedicated to the conservation and appreciation of birds. But the truth is, you don't need to travel to the other side of the globe to experience the magic of the avian world. Birdwatching, folks, it's an adventure that's accessible to everyone, right in your own backyard. All you need is a pair of binoculars, a field guide, and a sense of curiosity. Think about it. Birds are everywhere. From the humble robin hopping across your lawn to the majestic hawk circling overhead, we share our world with these incredible creatures. And each one has a story to tell, a unique role to play in the intricate web of life. I've spent countless hours in the wild, tracking down some of the most elusive creatures on the planet. But some of my most rewarding experiences have been right here at home, observing the birds that share my neighborhood. There's something truly special about witnessing a bird going about its daily routine, building its nest, raising its young, and navigating the challenges of its environment. It's a reminder that we're all connected, part of something much bigger than ourselves. So next time you're feeling stressed or disconnected from the natural world, I encourage you to grab a pair of binoculars and head outside. Find a local park, a nature preserve, or even just your own backyard. And start looking up. Pay attention to the sights and sounds around you. Can you identify the different bird calls? Can you spot the subtle differences in their plumage? You'll be amazed by what you discover, right in your own community. Birdwatching isn't just a hobby. It's a gateway to a deeper understanding and appreciation for the natural world. And the more we understand and appreciate the natural world, the more likely we are to protect it. So, get out there, explore, and discover the wonders of the avian world. You might be surprised by what you find. Guys, the diversity and magnificence of the avian world is something truly special. From the rainforests of Southeast Asia to your own backyard, birds captivate our imaginations and remind us of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. Exploring these incredible aviaries has been an absolute privilege. We've seen firsthand the passion and dedication of those working tirelessly to conserve these feathered wonders, ensuring their survival for generations to come. But conservation isn't just a job for scientists and zoologists, it's a responsibility we all share. So get out there, explore, discover, and let the adventure take flight.